You know, Patricia Mashali alerted me to the possibility that an innocent policeman was languishing in Westville prison for refusing to obey illegal instruction. I went to the prison as part of my oversight to speak to a policeman, and I don't want to get into the merits because I'm in court with this, to speak to a policeman. I listened to the policeman and I took what I deemed to be the appropriate action. But trust me, that hole goes deep as well. But like I say, this is what Madlanga is for. I am in court today. Hopefully I'll be in and out if they don't charge or arrest me as I leave again. But we're prepared for all of this. We understand exactly how dirty these people are. We now understand that these people are probable murderers. When I say these people, I'm not mentioning names today, that will come out. But it's sickening. It is really, really sickening. Before anybody asks, my cell phone could slip under my door. I have been ordered by the court to inform the people who lied to a magistrate to obtain a warrant for me. I've got to report to those people as to my movements daily. That's what I find weird. Our emails to the speaker. Every one of the technicians can be asked off the record, on the record, if they worked on my laptop. I'm sure every one of them is going to say yes, they have. So I have no idea why Parliament is getting involved in all of this. And Parliament themselves said it. They don't normally get involved. So maybe they must explain to you why they got involved. Remember, the business of Parliament is to ensure that Parliament's hands are at all times clean. It's not. And if we believe the IGI's submissions to the Gauteng High Court, apparently a minister has been meddling in his affairs. Now, Parliament's not responded to that. But Parliament can jump up and say, no, there's nothing wrong with his laptop. So for me, it's confusing. It's clear that this thing is deeper than we thought. It runs high, possibly to the highest office in the land. It looks like it's going that way. But look, I'm not here to do Madlanga's job. We've got 3 very competent justices sitting on that bench. I'm just going to present evidence to them. But whatever we're going to say at Madlanga, we're going to back it up with hard copy. So this is a good time for certain people to start getting worried. Parliament will hear from our attorneys in the course of next week, because this is unheard of. You know, when that institution starts defaming people for whatever political reason they want to, I don't understand. We must also remember this is the same Parliament that allowed the PKTT to trample on its sovereignty. So we're stumped. We don't know what's going on here. You know what? I'm not going to play stupid. What's going on here is that it's a mess. Parliament is a mess. The country is a mess. The South African Police Service is a mess. And we all know why. Like Parliament said themselves, they don't normally issue statements like this, but you know what? In my case, they will. However, Parliament has found itself wrong, because we've sent those emails. We have the proof of the emails. We've sent them to your editors. Perhaps Parliament will now apologize to me, because what they've in actual fact done is they've accused me of lying. Parliament has defamed me. So all we're saying is we've got the proof. We forwarded the proof to the media. We hope the media will publish the proof the same way that they published our Parliament's lies, and let's see how it ends. Ultimately, we've never said anything we can't back up.